Why do we rely upon Allah? Why do we rely upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Understand this very carefully. Allah Azza wa Jal, He said in the Quran, وَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى الْحَيِّ الَّذِي لَا يَمُوتُ. Allahu Akbar. Allah Azza wa Jal, He said, and rely, this is a command, an order from Allah. Rely upon Allah, the one who is all living, Al-Hayy, الَّذِي لَا يَمُوتُ. And He does not die, He does not perish. This is why we rely upon Allah, because He's the all-living. He's the source of all life. He's the source of all strength. So if you rely upon other than Allah, everything other than Allah will perish, will die, will end. So if you rely upon other than Allah, you risk it. That as soon as that thing perishes or gets destroyed, and it will perish and destroy, khalas, your case is finished. Whatever you are looking forward to is gone now. But if you rely upon Allah, the all-living, the one who never dies, then you are truly relying upon something that is stable, and your affairs will be done. And Allah Azza wa Jal will look after you, because you're relying upon someone who does not die, He's living. If you rely upon other than Allah, then we said everything other than Allah will perish and will be destroyed. If you relied upon other than Allah, then the matter that you relied upon other than Allah is a failed, ruined, destroyed matter. You will never achieve what you wanted to achieve.